important person for the organization would be customer, right? Yes, we cannot say that always customer would be important. At times consumer, at times customer. But if I have to decide between who's more, then up to my experiences, customer is more important.
And so if company को अगर किसी focus करनी है और customer पे नहीं focus करनी तो consumer की करनी है तो consumer यूज कर ये कहना क्या तरीके से
कंज्यूमर जो है कस्टमर की आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं ना जिससे यूज है गाइस आई गिव एन एग्जांपल दैट इफ आई एम टेकिंग ग्रोसरी टू माय होम देन डेफिनेटली खाना जो भी है स्पाइसेस में जो भी यूज कर रहे हो हाउ कंज्यूमर में तैयार डिश दे रहे हो राइट सो डेफिनेटली इवन इफ इट इज अ स्पाइस दैट आई एम बाइंग राइट आई एम चूजिंग इट अल्टीमेटली फाइनल गुड मिलेगा जिससे यूज करना है सो you cannot say the consumer will decide on that which spices to bring or which grocery shopping कौन करता है mother in the house right or the elder sisters along with right daughters right so again use कौन करता है product okay now there are two statements right mother is the consumer but mother is the customer as well right who is more important customer mother consumer भी है mother भी तो परचेज वो खुद ही तो बाइंग डिसीजन किसने लेना है डेफिनेटली परचेज किसने करना है who will decide on what to buy right स्प्लिट खरीदना है यूज आपके रूम में हो रहा है लेकिन परचेजिंग डिसीजन आपके पेरेंट्स के पास है कार लेनी है यूज आप कर रहे हैं लेकिन परचेजिंग जो है वो आपके पेरेंट्स के पास है राइट तो अगेन डेफिनेटली कंज्यूमर जो है वो इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकता है कस्टमर को मीडियम शेयर कंज्यूमर विल नॉट इन्फ्लुएंस द कस्टमर इन्फ्लुएंस तो डेफिनेटली करेगा एट टाइम्स आप इतना इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं दैट यू मेक देम बाय दैट प्रोडक्ट अल्टीमेटली क्वालिटी जिसके पास है दैट पर्सन इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू राइट यू कैन इन्फ्लुएंस योर पेरेंट्स दैट आई वांट सो एंड सो प्रोडक्ट अल्टीमेटली अगेन बाय कौन करेगा कस्टमर राइट तो आप एक्चुअली आप कस्टमर को टारगेट करेंगे या कस्टमर आपको फिर परचेज करेगा डेफिनेटली मोर इम्पोर्टेंट इज द कस्टमर हु हैज द अथॉरिटी टू मेंशन दैट which product to purchase shampoo I will purchase shampoo others are going to use it right so again yes they can see that bring that shampoo right या डोरा का ले आए या स्पाइडरमैन वाला कोई ले आए या कुछ नया है वो ले मुझे इन्फ्लुएंस करेंगे अल्टीमेटली अथॉरिटी I would have the authority I might the next time not this month I cannot afford this month maybe next month you get this thing right
मतलब ये प्रोडक्ट पे डिपेंड करता है कि अगर बच्चों की प्रोडक्ट है
Exactly. थोड़ा नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा डिपेंड करेगा on product, right? That what you are selling, what is the product? Accordingly to the product, then we can decide on that for this product maybe consumer is important. But अगर आप majority की बात करेंगे तो majority of the product के लिए customer would be more important. Because customer has the power. Organization is interested in purchasing power. और purchasing power जिसके पास होगी authority भी ज़्यादा उसके पास होगी. We will make it for a point, right? Okay. Moving on to next topic, we discussed on in the previous class we ended on next picture. Discuss this. Yes. This was the last topic. Yes. I suppose we discussed the marketing system, right? There are three types. We said there are two types of customers: actual customers and the potential customers. Right? That is your existing customers, current customers, and your future customers. Right? Okay. We discussed this one as well. No. Okay. Read. Now this figure, this is marketing system. Right? A very simple marketing system is shown here, right? Let's start from the suppliers, right? Who are the suppliers?
जो सप्लाई करते हैं
जो सप्लाई करते हैं क्या सप्लाई करते हैं
प्रोडक्ट
suppliers supply you with raw that's all
नो मैम जो मैन्युफैक्चर करके लेके आते हैं
provide you with capital as well they can provide you with finished goods as well they can provide you with machinery they can provide you with labor they can provide you with land सर्विसेज आ सकती हैं, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सर्विसेज आ सकती हैं, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड आप किसी से ले सकते हैं, सर्विसेज आ सकती हैं दैट यू for your employer you are relying on these organizations. So we can say suppliers, those individuals or organizations that provide you with input, those inputs or that provide the resources that you require to conduct a smooth business or to run a smooth business, right? What are those resources or inputs? They can be raw material, it can be finished goods, it can be land, labor, capital, anything that you require for a smooth business, right? They are your suppliers. Okay. Suppliers provide you with inputs. You buy inputs, right, and convert them or through them, right, whatever product you are coming up with. They can be finished goods or they can be finished services. So whatever your ultimate product is, right. Organization में क्या हो रहा है? Organization processing is taking place, right. So inputs go to the organization through the suppliers. They are processed in your organization, and finally you have the final product or the finished good, right? We can see simultaneously competitors also, right? Parallel to the company. Who are competitors?
Competition जो अगर कोई दूसरा product
Those organizations which are making same products or which are satisfying the same needs or which are targeting on the same market, on the same customer group. They are your peers, right? So why they are adjacent or parallel to you? The reason is you cannot ignore them, right? If you ignore, you will be at a loss. So you have to keep a close eye on your competitors, on every strategy that they are adopting. If they are in prices, you also have to, right? If they are increasing their promotions, you also have to, right? So whatever, if they are modifying the product, you also need to modify your product. There is no other way, right? So there is no existence without it. You cannot ignore whatever the competitors do and you just let them go and do that. If you do that, what will happen? Your competitors have all the market share. All the customers will go and purchase from them, right? So you cannot let it go. Take an example of Mobilink, right? Mobilink entered the market, right? And later on, Youfone and other organizations were there. So if Mobilink would have them, right, then it wouldn't have existed today. They also adapted themselves to the environment. They also reduced their prices. They also introduced more services. So they cannot ignore the competitors. Again, another simple example. Metro and Metro, yes, and you will see.
लेकिन वो तो मर्ज हो
गए, acquire किया Metro ने Metro को.
मेट्रो ने मेट्रो खरीदा और
Metro ने Metro खरीदी है, Metro ने Metro
अमित किए हुए हैं 40% और इस तरह से शेयर्स हुए और मेट्रो जो है वो मेट्रो हबीब के नाम से होने वाला है. चलो नाहिद और क्या चलो वो मर्ज हुआ है.
No, नाहिद ने क्या करना? So again, coming back here, we can simply not let what one competitor is up to, right? Another simple example can be you will see जब भी आपका कोई भी competitor कोई पैसा आता है या कोई price use करते हैं, right? आप देखेंगे दूसरे जो उसके competitor हैं companies they will also react to it. Yes, sir. अगर कोई एक even a small example, अगर Youfone ने अपने ad में कोई song चला दिया है, right? बाकी सारे भी song लेके आ जाएंगे, right? तो अगर वो एक दिन में जो है 50 एड बना रहे हैं दूसरी कंपनी के भी देयर बी 45 or 50 एड्स कमिंग they will also air them so they can their competitors do whatever they want to, right? They will keep a close eye and keep monitoring themselves to
मैम लेकिन अनदर कंपनी अगर है वो तो यानी कुछ भी अगर वो अपना रही तो अगर दूसरी कंपनी अगर वो आएगी स्टैंडर्ड होता है हर कंपनी का तो वो अपने स्टैंडर्ड के अपोजिट तो नहीं जा सकती ना.
अपने स्टैंडर्ड के अपोजिट तो नहीं जाएगी डेफिनेटली बट वो कुछ ना कुछ रिएक्ट तो करेगी.
जैसे मोबाइल का एक मतलब कॉर्पोरेट लगा था जिसकी वजह से उन्होंने जैन इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया कि वो यूफोन की तरह थोड़ा सा मैच करते हुए
आप कोई सर्विसेज ले टेलीकम्युनिकेशन में कोई भी दो कंपनी ले लें अगर वो एक जो है ग्रुप के अंदर एक नया पैकेज इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा है ये फैमिली सर्कल का है कोई ना कोई जरूर इंट्रोड्यूस करेगा. कोई एसएमएस का एक पैकेज इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा है दूसरा भी इंट्रोड्यूस जरूर करेगा क्योंकि अगर नहीं करेंगे तो कस्टमर उनको डर है कि ऐसा ना हो ये जो नया पैकेज इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है इससे ज्यादा कस्टमर्स हैं वो कंपनी की तरफ स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं.
अभी आप ये देखें इस तरह से जो टेलीकम्युनिकेशन गाँव है यूफोन है, इनके में सिग्नल के बहुत जो मोबलिंग और वारिस के तकरीबन हर जगह पे आते हैं और हर चीज अच्छी होती है। आपने ये भी कहा मोबलिंग बेसिकली और वारिस जो है वो बाकी से महंगे हैं, लेकिन उनके सिग्नल का इशू इतना अच्छा है।
ओके, अब इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि मोबलिंग के कस्टमर जो है वो कहीं से कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर रहे हैं, गिव एंड टेक है ना। कॉम्प्रोमाइज क्या कर रहे हैं, कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर रहे हैं तो क्वालिटी मिल रही है। यूफोन के कस्टमर जो होंगे वो मेरी क्वालिटी में थोड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर रहे हैं लेकिन प्राइस बेटर मिल रही है। इट्स अगेन ऑलवेज देयर इज सम बैलेंस और कंपनी ट्राई टू गिव सम एडवांटेज और क्रिएट सम इक्विटी।
मैं इस पे ठीक है कि मार्केट जॉइंट बैठे हुए हैं कंपटीटर्स में, मतलब मोबिलिंग है, तो अगर वो ऐसी प्रमोशन ना करे तो उसके रेवेन्यू पे असर पड़ेगा।
डेफिनेटली पड़ेगा। आपकी एडवर्टाइजिंग का डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट होता है ऑन सेल्स। अगर आप एडवर्टाइजिंग बढ़ाते हैं तो सेल्स बढ़ता है, अगर आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट कम करते हैं तो सेल्स कम होता है। ये डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप
मार्केटिंग है। जब जो कम्युनिकेशन वाले कर रहे हैं कि गांव का नंबर है लेकिन लाइन मोबलिंग, तो मतलब ये ज्यादा पीपल नहीं बस डायरेक्ट अटैक कर रहे हैं,
डायरेक्ट अटैक कर रहे हैं डेफिनेटली, और सारे कर रहे हैं। आपने किसी भी कंपनी में कन्वर्ट करना, ये नहीं है एक कंपनी के पास ये एडवांटेज है, ये तो टेक्नोलॉजी है। So they want, this is also for those customers, right? There are so many customers who want to convert to other cellular lines, right? Because of their better rates, right? Per hour rates or per minute rates. But the one is that they don't want to change their number because they have this number for the last 10-15 years. So they don't want to change the number. So there is another option. Okay, we will give you the same number, but we can convert you on our.
प्रॉब्लम क्यों हो जाती है ना, कि फ्री बैलेंस या यूफोन का नंबर देकर कॉल करते हैं लेकिन वो दूसरा नंबर निकलता है
Okay, now coming back. So once the company has made a product, right? Next stage is marketing intermediaries. Now what marketing intermediaries? Marketing intermediaries are a link between the organization and the customer or the consumer, right? Sometimes there is no marketing intermediary in between. Intermediary क्या है आपके? Actually, they are middlemen. Actually, we can say they are wholesalers, right? They are distributors, right? They are retailers. All those people who can connect you with your customers, right? So company से direct ऐसा नहीं है कि Unilever से हम purchase कर रहे हैं, right? हम Unilever से product purchase कर रहे हैं, तो we are purchasing it through the retailer. So between the organization and the customer, there is a third party. That third is the marketing intermediary, right? Again, retailer सिर्फ retailer भी नहीं है बीच में, distributor आपके wholesalers होते हैं, जो कंपनी से wholesaler है, जो कंपनी से बल्क में उन्होंने परचेज किया, अपना प्रॉफिट मार्जिन रखा और फिर रिटेलर्स को बहुत सारे को सेल कर दिया, right? Then there are distributors also, right? Distributors आपके warehousing services भी आपको प्रोवाइड करते हैं, कर लेते हैं। बहुत सारा कोई कंपनी दे रही है, कोई रिटेलर दे रहा है या कोई होलसेलर दे रहा है, तो हो सकता है उनके पास जो है वो अपना कोई फिजिकल स्पेस ना हो, तो दे विल टेक हेल्प ऑफ distributors who will provide them with warehousing services and transportation services as well. तो distributor के पास जो है वो 50-100 सुजुकी होंगी या डिफरेंट मे बी ऑटोमोबाइल्स होंगे जिनके वो प्रोडक्ट जो है वो कंपनी से लेके जहाँ डिस्पैच करना है, they will make that available. So between the company and the consumer, there are many other people. They are known as your marketing intermediary, right? Then comes the final consumer. Then we said sometimes no marketing intermediary in between. It is the company and the consumer, right? In such a case, it is known as direct marketing. Direct marketing. Like sometimes क्या होता है, हम कोई product जो है वो online order कर देते हैं, or there are toll-free numbers provided. You just call them and they give the product or deliver the product at the address that you have provided them, right?
तो बड़ी डायरेक्ट तो आप ईमेल वगैरह जो भी है ये होता है कि अगर आप शर्ट जो भी छोटी चीजों में तो मैं डायरेक्ट नहीं होता।
अब तो जो है वो छोटी चीजों में भी कितने सारे जो है वो होम एंटरप्राइजेस हैं जो even if you want to buy a sale for ₹300 also, so you can just give them send them email and they will deliver. चार्जेस उनके TCS के हैं। तो और पाकिस्तान के अंदर कम है, फॉरेन कंट्री के अंदर shopping and even at the end purchase nothing, right? Over people don't want to, हमें मजा ही नहीं आता है, we cannot enjoy without going, right? And without seeing these products with our naked eye and without touching it. Over there, majority of the products they buy, they just order them online. Because they don't have time to
मॉल का दवा हो जाएगा.
या मॉल का स्टिल एग्जिस्ट क्योंकि आपका जो भी एक कन्वेंशनल वेयर है डेफिनेटली कंटेम्परेरी जो आपके लिए चल रहे हैं आपके जो ट्रेडिशनल है बोथ साइड बाय साइड तो वो खत्म नहीं होगा डेफिनेटली अगेन देयर आर पीपल हु वांट टू गो एंड परचेज बट बाहर ज्यादा शॉपिंग और नॉर्मली आप कहेंगे कि जो भी लोकल है किसी कंट्री में वो ऑनलाइन परचेजिंग करते हैं लेकिन जो फॉरेनर्स गाइस होते हैं दे वांट द मॉल राइट सो अगेन पाकिस्तान के अंदर क्यों नहीं है बिकॉज देयर इज कल्चर नहीं है ट्रस्ट नहीं है और पीपल जिन्होंने परचेज किए हैं उनको कोई ना कोई जो है वो धोखा होगा कोई ना कोई आपको जो आपकी क्योंकि जो आपने देखा है कंप्यूटर के ऊपर जो आपने ऑर्डर किया दैट इज डिफरेंट एंड समथिंग दैट यू रिसीव इज डिफरेंट राइट सो दीज आर सम रीजन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कंज्यूमर
और जगह पे भी होता है कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया में अगर वो एक शर्ट मंगाया होता है शायद ना इंडिया से वो शर्ट दिखने में तो जो देखती है बड़ी अच्छी थी जब लेकर जब वो आई तो वो उसको अजीब सी हालत मिली कि
Okay, come to the next topic, marketing management. What is हम लोग ने segmentation discuss किया है? Marketing management. What is marketing management? Before going to with the topic, let me tell you. थर्ड सेमेस्टर में आपका एक कोर्स है विद द नेम ऑफ मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट और अगर आप मार्केटिंग में फेल हो जाते हैं तो आप मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट नहीं उठा सकते बिकॉज प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग इज अ प्री रेक्विजिट टू दिस कोर्स मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट राइट सो यू हैव टू क्वालिफाई अदरवाइज फिर आप उसको रिपीटर्स के साथ उठाएंगे समर में उठाएंगे जब तक आप क्वालिफाई नहीं करेंगे आप मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट नहीं पढ़ सकते राइट मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट क्या है मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट इज and science of choosing target market and building profitable relationships with them. So in this course is more application of whatever you will be studying in principles of marketing. Right? The topic, what is marketing management? Marketing management is all about attracting and reaching customers. How to attract? Who would be your customers? How to attract them and how to retain them. This is what we studied in marketing management. It's more application of what you will study in principles of marketing. Now you can see choosing target market. That means you have to decide on, you have to attract the right customers. You have to decide on who your customers are, what customers will you serve, right? And then building profitable relationship with them is how you are going to retaining your customers. So only attracting customer is not enough for any organization. They need to retain their customers as well. Again, these are all the customers that your organization has. You have to retain these customers, plus you have to keep on attracting customers. This is how your organization will grow. If you just retain these customers and do not attract new customers, your organization will grow. If you grow, attract more customers, but you fail to retain your current or existing customers, in that case also you cannot grow. क्योंकि कुछ कस्टमर आपसे अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं बाकी छोड़ते जा रहे हैं, right? So again, the size of the organization will remain the same, right? Or will keep on shrinking, right? So attracting and retaining customers is both equally important for the organization. Now, two very important questions over here is what customers you are going to serve? What customers? That means either you are going to serve the or you are going to make for male or female, right? For children or for adults, right? For housewives or for working women. So you define on that who would be your customer. Can you go and sit up your food? So you have to define on that who customers, right? Second is how can we best serve them, right? How you are going to serve, right? This means what would be your strategy, right? How you are going to mold your strategy, right? What it can be by giving offers. It can be giving okay. That is all promotion. So only promotion will not work. If you are giving something extra, definitely you have to think on, you have to give the right prices, you have to give the right quality of product, you have to make it convenient for the customer to buy your product, right? You have to continuously communicate properly with them. So you have to do a lot of work for maintaining relationship with them. And how can we best, now again this best means that how can you serve better than your competitors? So how can you best serve them? Because already if I am coming up with a new marker and there are already 3 companies which are selling a marker, right? Then what is different about my marker? How will I best serve the same customer? Because customer want other, right? Now there is one company, company A, company B, company C. All the 3 companies, they are already there in the market and selling markers, right? One is known for the quality, right? One is known for the low price, right? And maybe one is known as long lasting refill, right? Now if I am also jumping into the same market, trying with a new marker, right? How will I differentiate myself, or how will I best serve the same customers, right? I also have to come up and decide on something, right? What can I do? We might come on, right? Now you have to think on something unique, right? You might think of this new design. You have more design or style or packaging, right? So you have to think on how can you best serve, right? You might be better price along with better design, right? So you have, so that you can differentiate yourself. The differentiation is very important. We discuss it in 2 other slides in this slide as well. Market, now selecting the customers, right? We said that marketing management is about selecting the customer, what customers are you going to serve, and then you will decide on how you are going to best serve them, right?
And at a time we can more than 3 class of customers, like lower, middle, and upper.
At a time. With one single product. No. It's very difficult. You cannot sell a Mercedes to 3 classes, lower, middle, and upper. Can you? Then how can you? Still Mercedes में भी different models होंगे, right? अगर Mercedes एक छोटी कार बना भी देती है, right? That is also आपने product को different कर दिया ना? You are not selling the same product.
Same model with different name.
Okay, can you sell Tata की Nano S, right? The cheapest car, right? Tata company India में, right? Can you sell it to the upper class? Why?
It is buy it as a piece of.
No, they won't. Why will they buy? There are so many other good cars we can go with. They will go with quality. They won't go with कि उन्होंने showroom तो आने के नहीं बनाना है कि हर एक गाड़ी खरीदने, right? It is not possible that you sell the same product to everyone. Let's look into why. How? If you are a manufacturer, right, and you need to sell a car, right, what will you make sure that the car should have? क्या चीजें होनी चाहिए कार? Definitely engine के बगैर गाड़ी नहीं चलेगी. Talk something logical.
Ma'am, design well.
Okay. You will focus on good design. Yes, any other student? Okay. Affordability. Okay. And safety.
Durability.
Robust. Or safety आपने कह दिया तो that means that the car should be durable.
It should not get the rust over it.
You make sure बहुत जितनी extra आपकी specification है that's all add on. Okay. Besides that, जब आप गाड़ी खरीदते आ गया, राइट? जब आप गाड़ी खरीदते हैं तो आपके माइंड में क्या चीजें होती हैं? क्या क्या देखते हैं आप गाड़ी खरीदते नहीं, सारी गाड़ियां आपको अच्छा माइलेज नहीं देती हैं। जितनी आपकी हाई परफॉर्मेंस कार है उनका माइलेज जो है वो कम होगा, राइट? जितना सीसी ज्यादा होगा माइलेज उतना कम होगा, डेफिनेटली, राइट? यस, besides that, okay, maybe at to resale, ऐसी गाड़ी ले जो resale हो, ऐसी गाड़ी ले जिसके स्पेयर पार्ट्स जो है वो आपको easily available, right? Maybe at time we want a spacious car, right? Space wise जो है वो भी हो, right? Okay, besides that, okay, let's look into a market consisting of customers, right? Now, can you make this car with all these things in the car and sell it to customers? एक ही गाड़ी बना के आप इन सारे कस्टमर्स को सेल आउट कर सकते हैं? एक गाड़ी का मतलब है इस जैसी 50 गाड़ियां बना के ये सारे कस्टमर्स को आप कन्विंस कर देंगे कि ये सब खरीदें?
नो मैम।
मैम डिजाइन अलग होनी चाहिए,
because these are different.
Yes,
right? You cannot sell one single product to everyone, right? There are some people in it. What we will do? This is a market consisting of a number of customers, right? And all these customers have heterogeneous. They have different needs, right? So what we will do is we are going to group them together. We are going to divide the market into group of customers into different segments, and now every segment, right, consists of customers having similar needs, right? This process is known as market segmentation, dividing market, right, into group of buyers having similar needs, right? Now there are some customers who want an affordable car. You have placed them together. There are some customers who want a high resale. They look into resale value while purchasing a car. There are some who look into spare parts availability while purchasing a car. Some people they want a luxury car, right? And some people they want a high performance speed and all those things, right? So we can see that everyone has different needs. We cannot come up with one single product, right, that satisfies all their needs, right? If you want high performance, compromise on price. It will not be affordable, right? If you want affordability, then maybe you have to compromise on pricing, right? Then you want high performance, you have to compromise on mileage, right? So again, you cannot get everything from single product, right? That is why the marketer, they need to segment the market. They need to divide the market, right? Now, you can give them might buy resale जिसको high चाहिए, they will go with maybe Toyota, right? Okay, you can say that. Spare parts चाहिए, so you will buy Suzuki, right? Easily available. Luxury चाहिए, you will buy Honda. Performance चाहिए, buy Mercedes, right? So again, you can see in the market now, everyone has different needs. So companies क्या करती हैं? Segment the market and try to see that what is that every customer wants, and they can group those together who have a similar need and can manufacture one product and give them. Now again, when you have segmented the market on the basis of their needs, right? The second step would be you have to identify that which group or which segment will you target, right? आप किस मार्केट को टारगेट, आप किस सेगमेंट को टारगेट करेंगे, किसके लिए आपने प्रोडक्ट बनाना है? If you are trying to target this one, right, means you will make a product whose spare parts are easily available. You will give that to this group of buyers. If you are targeted, you will come up with a affordable nano बना दिया आपने, right? Targeting on for all those who want a very cheap car, just a car which can travel, they can travel on, right? Nothing more than they expect from that product, right? So again, if you are targeting on this one, give them what they want, right? So what is this? Selecting the segment for you is known as target marketing, right? Refer to which segment to go after. So over here you have to decide. The company has to now decide on that which segment will they serve, right? How many segments search
More than
at a time.
at a time.
Yes.
Then दो
इससे ज़्यादा नहीं
हो सकती है.
right? Totally depend on the resources that the organization has. How much resources do they have? If they think they have enough resources to cater to segments, they can go with all of them, right? General Motors, they are coming up with almost every kind of car. They are coming up with small cars also. They are coming large also. They are coming up with luxurious also. They are coming up with maybe yes, right?
ये भी तो होता है कि मतलब कंपनी को पता होगा कौन सा प्रोडक्ट कितना एडवांटेज देगा उनको. अब जैसे माइलेज वाली है और स्पेयर पार्ट वाली है, वो उनके मतलब मिडिल क्लास लेवल पर की है, तो वो इतना ज़्यादा एडवांटेज नहीं होगा उनके लिए कि जो अफोर्डेबल
कंपनी तो देखेगी कि कस्टमर्स को देखिए वो चीज कार जो ज्यादा होगी और बाकी कहीं ना कहीं कस्टमर सेटिस्फाइड करेंगे. डेफिनेटली अगर माइलेज चाहिए तो लोगों को माइलेज चाहिए, दैट मींस के दे माइट नॉट वेरी हाई स्पेसिफिकेशन, राइट? सो यस, कंपनी हैज टू कीप दैट इन माइंड, राइट? वी कैन टेक अदर एग्जांपल्स एज वेल. वी कैन टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ राइट. We all need to buy shampoo, but our needs are different, right? Some want a dandruff control shampoo, some want oil control, want a shampoo for dry hair, some want for silky hair, some want for long black hair, right? So our needs are different. We can segment it on this basis and then identify which one will you go after, right? Then design a product.
रिसेंटली मेरे दोस्त ने जो है एक गाड़ी के लिया मैम, वो जो गाड़ी है वो एक रिक्शे टाइप की गाड़ी है. अजीब लगता है तो बैठे टूट हो रहा है पीछे, मतलब कुछ है नहीं, आगे बॉनेट इतना था, लेकिन उसने किसके लिए माइलेज की वजह 600 सीसी तो दरिया में घूमकर आते थे, 250 रुपये का पेट्रोल लगेगा, इतनी अच्छी माइलेज. इस वजह से ये
Yes. So definitely if you want something you might have to compromise on others, right? Okay. So what is segment? क्या है? What is a segment?
segment is a group of
Segment is a group of people having needs, right? And if you are going to target that segment, that would be your target, right? Yes. And the process of targeting them is target marketing, right? The process of segmentation is market segmentation, right? The process of dividing the market is market segmentation. Okay. You always remember these four terms: SPDP. Segmentation, targeting.
Just who makes all these plans? The marketer or
मार्केटर तो कंपनी में ही है ना.
the marketer का काम है.
मार्केट सेगमेंटेशन है कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ये मार्केटिंग में ही हम इससे पढ़ रहे हैं ना. मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट की रिस्पांसिबिलिटी है. दे हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई कि मार्केट में कौन से कस्टमर है वो इसको टारगेट करें. यस, राइट. The differentiation and then positioning. Segmentation, targeting, differentiation and positioning. Which of differentiation? अभी हमने differentiation डिस्कस किया था. Why differentiation is important? Because you need to give a reason to the customer to buy this product from you. So it is important for our organization to differentiate their product from the competitor. So if I will give you a reason, only then you are going to buy from you. If there are already so many products in the market and I am also coming up with products, right? Then why will you buy from you? You will not buy from me unless I don't give you a solid reason that my product is different the competitor and so me, right? Only then you will think on purchasing a product, right? Like again, when Nestle was already there and other milks were introduced, like Halib was introduced, if you recall, right? It was known for Allpurs to बाद में introduced हुआ है, right? Allpurs से पहले Halib introduced हुआ था. Halib was known for what? सबसे गाढ़ा दूध. Yes. So what differentiation they came up with? They said okay, this is what to package है, safe है, healthy है. इसमें difference क्या है? That it is more bigger, right? And people definitely पहले concept क्या होता था? Package में जब इतना लोग नहीं यूज कर रहे थे, तो concept क्या था कि जो दूध है, खुला दूध है, वो उसमें पानी मिक्स कर देते हैं और वो बहुत पतला हो जाता है. तो आप नॉर्मली उसकी मिल्क की कंसिस्टेंसी देते थे कि बिल्कुल पानी जैसा है. चाय भी बनानी है तो पानी पानी डालने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, सिर्फ दूध में ही पत्ती चीनी डालनी है चाय बनाने के लिए. So when Halim introduced, so that concept was very simple and people were attracted towards that product, right? Because of its differentiation, that the product is different in so and so means. Yes, yes.
जैसे ये टेट्रा पैक का ऐड आया था पहले, इसके अंदर एक ऐड आया था 20 से 25 मिनट का आता था,
जिसमें दूध वालों को दिखाया था किस तरह से और वो उसका प्रोसेस क्या है. 20-25 साल पहले आया था. I don't remember. Okay, come back. तुम्हें किसने सुनाया था?
कल हम सर्च कर रहे थे यूट्यूब पर
20-25 साल पहले नहीं था. Not more than I think 12-13 years when I was a student. वाला टाइम तेरा खत्म हो गया, अभी 10 साल नहीं हुए.
अभी भी तो है.
And still I am yes.
कभी कभार ये रीजन भी नहीं चाहिए उसके. आप अगर जैसे पाकिस्तान में ऑर्डर्स आ रहे हैं तो वो सारे कल्चर को फोकस करें मार्केटिंग करते, मतलब सारे तो उसको वो फोकस कर रहे हैं वगैरह से. अभी एक ऐड आया था रमजान में, तो उसको अभी अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है बाकी क्वालिटी भी. अब जैसे वो बाहर जा रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे फोकस करके वो ऐड बना रहे हैं.
वो तो जरूरी है. आप जिस कंट्री के अंदर भी करेंगे, यू हैव टू सी देयर कल्चर एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू कम अप विद प्रमोशनल strategies and ingredients and all those things. There might be companies which are using some ingredients in other parts of the world, but for Pakistan they are using different ingredients. They only halal ingredients. So again, that is a requirement. Pizza Hut जो है वो इंडिया के अंदर वेजिटेरियन के अंदर ज्यादा सेल आउट करेगा, लेकिन पाकिस्तान के अंदर जो है वो चिकन को ज्यादा प्रमोट करेगा, right? So again, yes, there are cultural differences. आप एक और गाड़ी में करते हैं, this is discussed in chapter 3. Coming back, okay, fourth क्या था आपका? Positioning. What is positioning? Positioning is occupying a desirable place in the mind of consumers. For example, जैसे कि हमने डिस्कस किया कि हमारे माइंड के अंदर क्या प्लेस है? वाड़ा, राइट? होंडा के हमारे माइंड के अंदर क्या प्लेस है? लग्जरियस, राइट? Likewise, multi-form long lasting, right? So again, durability, it's known for durability. So again, every product distinct place in our mind, and that place is being achieved by the marketers, by promotion, by their continuous efforts, right? So occupying desirable place in the minds of consumers is known as market positioning. Right? Okay, and you will see there is a deliberate structure. सबसे पहले कंपनी क्या करती है? Segmentation. Then after segmentation, they go with targeting. Right? They target one of the segment, one or more of the segments. Right? The third phase would be that they will now think on the product that they are coming up with, how to differentiate this product. Right? So you have to introduce some kind of different product, और उसी differentiation को फिर आप लोगों के mind के अंदर जो है you would want that you should occupy a distinct valuable place in the minds of consumers. That is known as positioning, right? Like again, हम Mercedes सुनते हैं performance, mind में क्या आता है? Performance. So again, what do you want to buy? अगर आप कोई भी product purchase कर रहे हैं, तो you will look into actually what is your need. A dandruff control shampoo, आपके mind में एकदम से कौन से नाम आएंगे? Clear आएंगे या Head and Shoulder? Because ये उसकी positioning है. They have occupied that place in our mind that they are known for controlling dandruff, right? Or maybe if you like again, हलीब का सुनते ही हमारे माइंड में आता है गाढ़ा. तो गाढ़ा उसकी क्या है? पोजिशनिंग है. और we can say KNN, right? माइंड में क्या? Safe and healthy, right? So again, Nestle है, purity, right? Pure clean water. So every product have some positioning. Now it will depend on हमें क्या चाहिए. Nano है affordability, low price. Walmart is known for low prices, low price day. So what do you want? जो भी आपको चाहिए उससे रिलेटेड जितने प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में होंगे आपके माइंड में आ जाएंगे. Okay, if you want low price, तो ये है. If you want high quality, these are the brands. If you want design, these are the brands. So you have to decide on what do you want. And definitely positioning कैसे करेगी? That will depend on कौन सा टारगेट मार्केट उन्होंने सेलेक्ट किया है. जो टारगेट मार्केट आपने सेलेक्ट किया है, you will make sure that you inculcate that thing in that product, right? जैसे अगर आपने affordability को from you, right? This is what everyone is up to.
जैसे नोकिया ने तो सारे टारगेट मतलब सारी सेगमेंटेशन को टारगेट किया
Nokia सारे products बना रहा है. That you can say that yes they are targeting all segments, but for every segment they are coming up with separate product, right? So you can go with all the segments as well. Full market coverage कर सकते हैं आप, right? लेकिन फिर आप हर segment के लिए different product बनाएंगे, right? Okay. Coming back to the next topic, that is remarketing, right? Remarketing is very interesting, right? What is remarketing? Remarketing is also marketing.
मेरा किसी न्यू प्रोडक्ट की मार्केटिंग नहीं कर रहे हो
Okay, we will answer this question. First, let us discuss what remarketing is. You want to shift or reduce the demand. Yes. Using less of the resources. Who will use less of the resources?
organization.
Yes. If there is imbalance between supply and demand, then the organization need to go for remarketing. Imbalance का मतलब यहाँ पे हम लेंगे कि demand ज़्यादा है और supply कम. If you are unable to meet the demands of the market, then a company is supposed to demarket, right? Demarketing में you do not destroy demand, right? Demarketing में you just try to reduce demand either temporarily or permanently, right? The objective is not destroy demand but to reduce or shift it, right? Yes. Example, one of your friends discussed one any other example. KESC is demarketing, right? You can see this clip on this switchboard where it is written conserve energy, right? Demarketing, the company will tell you not to use the product or to use the product less. Not मना नहीं करेंगे, use ना करें. They just ask you to reduce consumption of the product, right? Like KESC do. So they ask us not to waste the resources, right? Or not to waste electricity. Not using, please make sure you switch them off, right? When you're leaving the room, please make your electricity is not being consumed, right? Or yes, right? So it's right. They also give you different messages time by time. घर से निकल रहे हैं तो make sure चूल्हे आपके बंद हैं, गीजर ऑफ है, right? कोई पाइप लीकेज नहीं है, चेक करवाएं अपनी पाइपलाइन, गैस पाइपलाइन, right? There is no leakage. The reason is again wastage of resources. Somewhere there is no supply of gas from the government, somewhere there is, right? So imbalances now they will also ultimately time by time. Same is with water board also, right? वॉशरूम में भी जाएंगे लिखा होगा if you are not using please make sure आप टैप जो है वो turn off कर दें, right? Yes.
Whatever the secret packets, they have sometimes.
Yes, sometimes and always. On every secret packet there is written no notice Pakistan. There is no notice. Internationally, there is a notice written that smoking is dangerous to health. कुछ भी लिखा होगा, लेकिन ultimatum होगा, right? That is not demarketing. Why that is not demarketing? क्योंकि कंपनी जो है वो उसको अपनी खुशी से नहीं कर रही है, government is giving notices that do not use these medicines, right? If इस कंपनी की ये medicine, even अगर hospitals भी अगर आपका visit हो तो hospitals भी notice board के ऊपर there is a restriction, they have to paste that on the notice board. ये medicines जो वो बड़ा लिखा हुआ है कि ये medicines use नहीं होनी चाहिए publicity. वो क्या है? That is also demarketing. They are stopping you from using the product or medicine temporarily or permanently. Another example can be Pakistan Poultry Association. If you recall, there was a bird flu some time back, right? And then the Pakistan Poultry Association, they were making announcements that do not utilize chicken, right? Unless the second announcement is being made. Precautions तो नहीं ये तो उसका फर्क है हाँ precautions जो है वो actually जो है KFC ने उसको strategy they came up with their own strategy that they said that these equipment और machinery जिसमें कि हम जो है वो chicken को 400 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड के ऊपर जो है उसको कुक कर रहे हैं जिससे अगर कोई जर्म है भी तो वो किल हो तो then it is safe to be utilized, right? But then there were people who took advantage of it and they were जितनी लिखी है उतनी लिखी है जो सस्ती हुई है तो I remember कितने 20 रुपए तक केजी चली गई थी चिकन जो है तो थी अगर एक डिजास्टर कोई आया है कोई नेचुरली समथिंग रॉन्ग हो then you cannot save yourself from it. Then organization definitely they have that margin. कुछ इतने सालों वो profit generate कर रहे हैं तो what if you weeks they have a lot.
hardcore customer is very effect for hardcore.
No. Hardcore consumer difference होगा? Yes. होगा नहीं होगा for a time only. Right? Not. We leave chicken just a few weeks. Right? If such things happen, and then we again go to a normal routine, isn't it? Yes.
Just letting out.
Who?
Next class.
Okay. Okay.
Human border.